Yesterday's class, first I discussed the meaning of algebra expression, then the difference between algebra expression and the polynomial. Yes, so only difference is algebra expression, power of the variable can be real numbers, but polynomials, power of the variable should be always non-negative or whole number. This is the difference we have learned. Who's scribbling, children?
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, children. Yesterday we discussed algebra expression and polynomials and the meaning of terms, coefficients, constant polynomial, zero polynomial, monomial, binomial, trinomial, then
degree of polynomial,
meaning of polynomial, degree of polynomial, linear polynomial,
quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial.
Quadratic polynomial means degree 2, cubic polynomial is degree 3, degree 4,
Biquadratic.
very good, biquadratic, degree 5,
Quintic, ma'am.
These are the types of polynomials we have learned, and also based on that we discuss exercise 2.1. So that is the first exercise based on whether this is the polynomial or not in one variable, and second main is discuss about the coefficient of x square, and third main is just they're asking us to give some examples for the binomial and the monomial of their own degree. And the fourth main they're asking us to write about the only degree of the particular polynomial, and the fifth main they're asking us to write the classification of linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. So these are things yesterday's we discussed. Any doubt in yesterday's class, children? I hope you all have gone through yesterday's work and you all have written these notes in the classwork.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear, children? I hope you all have. Any doubt in yesterday's class, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So today I'm going to start in this polynomial, new concept, zeros of a polynomial. Explain the meaning of zeros of a polynomial. Clear, children? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So already we learned meaning of polynomials in algebraic term, right? With one term, two terms, three terms, four terms, one term called monomial, two terms called
Binomial, ma'am.
three terms
Trinomial, ma'am.
trinomial, or we can call it as in a polynomial, we can call it as a polynomial, multinomial, all these things we learned. Now I'm going to explain zeros of a polynomial. It's very, very simple, children. For example, the zeros of a polynomial are the real values of the variable. If I take algebra expression, as you all recall, algebra expression is a collection of variables, constants, and mathematical operations. Here in this zero means, so what a variable value we are going to find out. That's it. If it is variable, see, zeros of a polynomial are the real values of the variable. So here, what is the exact value of the variable we are going to find out. That is what, that is the thing, but as zeros polynomial. Value of a polynomial becomes 0. Once you apply the of x, for example, if it is a polynomial in one variable, I'll take it as a variable as x. If I apply x value in that particular expression, if I 0 of the p of x, if p of m is equals to 0 and p of n is equals to 0. Let us check with an example, so it will be clear for you what is the meaning of 0 of the polynomial. Am I clear, children? So first example, check whether -2 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial x plus 2. So this is x plus 2 is the polynomial. So as I said, polynomial can be one term. If only one term is also, that is also a polynomial. If two terms are there, that is also polynomial. So here x plus 2, how many terms are there here?
Ma'am, one term, ma'am.
Two term. X is one term, 2 is one term. Ajay, don't get confused. If I give only X, that is monomial. That is only one term. Here, X and X plus 2 are there. 2 terms are there. This X plus 2, I'll call this as P of X. P of X is a polynomial value. P of X is equals to X plus 2. Any doubt in this step? Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
Polynomial X plus 2 as P of X is equals to X plus 2. So now they are asking, we need to check, we need to apply minus 2 and 2, whether it is a polynomial or not. First we'll apply 2. Am I clear, children? First we'll apply 2 in the place of X. In the place of X, I just mentioned 2. In the place of X, if I mention 2, 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. So only if we get, after applying the X value, if we get the result 0, then it is a polynomial. It is a 0 of the polynomial. Otherwise, it is not. So do you think this answer we got 4 is a 0 of the polynomial?
No, ma'am.
Okay, see, check second one. So I'm applying minus 2 for the next one. So in the X place, I'm just putting minus 2. Am I clear? So in the X place, I put minus 2 and this plus 2, minus 2 plus 2 become 0. Am I clear, children? Now the P of minus 2 becomes 0. Now is this minus 2 is 0 of the polynomial?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Once if you apply the X value, if we get 0, then it is a minus 2 is a 0 of the polynomial. If we are not getting 0, it is not the 0 of the polynomial. Am I clear? We'll see another example. Therefore, minus 2 is a 0 of the polynomial. X plus 2, but 2 is not, because when I apply 2, I'm getting the result 4 here. Am I clear? James, any doubt, James?
No, ma'am.
Then mute your device. Next, second question, just as an example, find a 0 of the polynomial P of X is equals to 2x plus 1. Am I clear, children? When they're asking us to find a 0 of the polynomial, we have to make P of X is equals to 0. When here the first sum, they only gave the value, just we applied and we checked it. Am I clear, children? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Second
ma'am.
one, they're asking find a 0 of the polynomial P of X is equals to 2x plus 1. So to finding a 0 of P of X is the same as solving the equation P of X is equals to 0. So this you all have learnt in your linear equation chapter, how to find X value. If I give 2x plus 1 is equals to 0, what are you going to do here? You're going to write here. You're going to write here.
1 and minus 1.
Yes. 2x is equals to minus 1, right? Because plus 1 move towards the right side, minus 1. Then x is equals to minus 1 by 2. This is what you are getting now, children. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So what is the x value? Minus 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
So how to check this one? In the place of x value, you put minus 1 by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1, 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I hope
ma'am.
it's clear to everyone. Once again, repeat. For the first question, they only gave the zeros. They're asking us to check whether this is a 0 of the polynomial. Apply this minus 2 in the P of X on 2 in the P of X. Check which one you are getting the result 0. The result which one you are getting 0, that is a 0 of the polynomial. So second one, they're asking us to find a 0 of the polynomial. Okay. So make it P of X is equals to 0. Then find the value of X. That what value you are getting, that is nothing but as a 0 of the particular polynomial 2x plus 1. Am I clear? Am I clear now? Again, if you
Yes,
want
ma'am.
to check this minus 1 by 2, you apply this in X value. If you apply this in X value, I'll just show. That is equals, just to show children, 2 into, I just take this one, into 2 into X value, what we got? Minus 1 by 2, right? I'll just show whether we are getting 0 or not.
Ma'am, that 2 will get cancelled and my plus 1 minus 1 will become 0,
Yes,
ma'am.
Ajay, it's correct, but just I'm showing it. Here 2, and next that become plus 1, right? That is equals to, see here, numerator 2 and denominator will get cancelled. Then what is remaining here? Minus 1 plus 1. That is equals to 0. Am I clear, children? See,
Yes, ma'am.
without applying, first we need to find for which value we are getting result 0. That's it. Nothing else is 0 of the polynomial. Am I clear? See, after getting value, I just applied in the place of x and I showed we are getting result 0. That's why minus 1 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 1. Anyone have doubt now? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Let us see some more example. So to understand clearly, let's look the polynomial p of x. Here the p of x polynomial they gave. What's the degree of this particular polynomial? This example.
3.
What's the degree?
Ma'am, degree is 3, ma'am.
Very good. So what type of polynomial it is?
Cubic.
Cubic polynomial. Very
Cubic
good.
polynomial, ma'am.
Since the degree is 3, this is the cubic polynomial. Now let us find the value of polynomial. I don't know the what value we are getting 0. Okay. So always remember, if the degree is 3, we used to get 3 values. It's all depending on the degree of the polynomial. We used to get the result. Am I clear, children? So here degree is 3 means 3 x values will get. Am I clear, children?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
Yes,
degree
ma'am.
2 means how many values will we get?
We'll get only 2 values, ma'am.
Yes, if degree is 4,
We'll get 4 values.
if degree is 1,
Only we'll get 1 value, ma'am.
see the previous example, 2x plus 1. Degree of this polynomial is 1. So we got only 1 value. Here the degree is 3. We used to get 3x values. Okay. But I don't know which are the numbers. So we just check it. I'll just apply 1 in the particular. I'll just cross checking 1. First I check for 1. P of 1. So 1 cube is 1. Here in the place of x, I just mentioned 1 here. X cube means 1 cube. X square means 1 square. X means 1. So 5 into 1 is 5. Minus 2 plus 3 minus 2. So the result we are getting 4.
My voice is breaking.
I just applied the x value in the given polynomial. Okay. This is not the exact. I'm just checking. For this value, are we getting 0 or not? So x value I've taken 1. Okay. I'm just assuming whether we may get or not. Are we getting 0 here?
No.
So is the polynomial? So
No.
is the 0 of the polynomial?
No, ma'am. No,
Ma'am,
No,
ma'am, we
ma'am.
have done sign mistake over there, ma'am.
Where?
At the starting, you have written minus 2 is equal to 5, ma'am. It should be plus, ma'am.
Which one? 5 cube. 5 into 1 cube. Minus
Yes, ma'am.
2 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 2. 5 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2. 5 minus 2. 6 minus 2, 4. It's correct, no, Ajay?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Before the equal
Ajay,
symbol.
it's correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Before the equal symbol. Yes, Ajay?
according to board mass, it is minus 2.
Okay. You just come like this only. 5 minus 2?
3.
Okay, board mass will if you take also. 5 plus 3, 8. Minus 2 is minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4 only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just see here. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. However you take. Add positive numbers and subtract from negative numbers. We're getting 4 only. Okay? So 1 is not the 0 of the polynomial. So we'll take some different number. Therefore, we can say that the value of p of x is equal to 1 is 4. Next, we'll check it. Now I'll take x value 0. Okay? If I take x value 0, I'll get the result minus 2. So 0 is also not a 0 of the polynomial. Even if I apply 0 also, I'm not getting 0 polynomial. So therefore, we can say that the value of polynomial p of x at x is equal to 0 is minus 2. Am I clear, children? So here 1 and zeros are not the zero of the polynomial. Just when we apply, we are getting some different values. Am I clear here?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
No
I'll
doubt,
just
ma'am.
show with some more examples. So now I'll come to the clear meaning of zero of the polynomial. Here, whatever the variable polynomial they gave, we'll call it as a p of x is equals to, just to tell how to find a zero of the polynomial I'm explaining. P of x is equal to ax plus b, where a should not be equal to 0. If a becomes 0 means I'll get only b. Is a linear polynomial because the degree is 1. If a becomes 0 means it is not a linear polynomial, right? Only a and b are here real numbers. Am I clear, children? So I'll just check how to find out the zero of the p of x. Finding a zero of p of x amounts to solving the polynomial. We need to make this p of x is equals to 0. Just nothing, children. Here we need to find out the x value. That's it. So if you make p of x is equal to 0, then what will remain? Ax plus b is equal to 0. Then if I take b towards right side, ax is equals to minus b. Then what is the x value? Minus b by
a.
a is the only zero of p of x. Always remember, since the linear polynomial degree is 1, we'll get only 1 zero of p of x. If degree is 2, we used to get 2 zeros, 2 x values we'll get. If degree is 3, we used to get 3 x values. We learn that in detail in the upcoming exercise. So now we can say that 1 is a zero of x minus 1, because if I equate x minus 1 is equal to 0, what is the x value? This is another example. Now we can say that 1 is a 0 of x minus 1. Why 1 is a 0 of x minus 1? Here x minus 1 is equals to 0. Then what is x value? What is x value? X is equal
1,
to
ma'am.
1.
X will be 1, ma'am.
Am I clear, children? Next
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Here, and minus 2 is a 0 of x plus 2. So if I take x plus 2 is equals to 0, then what is the x value?
Minus 2.
Then x
Minus 2.
is equals to minus 2. If plus x, if I shift towards right side, that become minus 2. So this type of question, they'll ask for 1 mark. What is a 0 of x minus 1? That is plus 1. What is a 0 of x plus 2?
X minus
Minus
2.
2.
Minus 2,
What
ma'am.
is the
Minus
0
2.
of 3x plus 1?
Ma'am,
1 by 3.
ma'am, 1 by 3.
3x plus
Minus
1.
1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3.
1 by 3. So don't neglect minus over there. What is a 0 of 5x plus 8?
Ma'am, minus 8 by 5.
Minus 8 by 5. What is the 0 of 3x minus 4?
Minus 3 plus 4 by 3.
Yes.
Ma'am,
3x
4 by 3.
minus 4, it is 4 by 3. Anyone have doubt in writing this one?
No,
No, ma'am.
These type of questions, they'll ask 1 mark or fill in the blanks. Okay, children? So now,
Yes,
let
ma'am.
us go for exercise 2.2 based on the 0 of the polynomial. So now, they are giving, find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at, here they gave 3 values. Okay. So now what we have to do, this x value I need to apply in this place of polynomial 5x minus 4x plus 3. Am I clear, children? Shall we apply the value of first? All 3 we need to apply the value. That's it. So we'll see first question. At x is equals to 0, p of 0 is equals to 0. P of 0 is equals to 0. So here in the place of x, you just apply 0. That's it. 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So what will remain the answer? Only 3 will remain. Am I clear, children? First value 0 they gave. Just apply 0 in the place of a variable. That is x. 5 into 0 is 0. Minus 4 into 0 square is 0. Plus 3. So 0 multiply everything is 0. Answer is 3. Any doubt in this?
No doubt, ma'am.
Shall we move to next one? Second question. we need to apply in the place of x minus 1.
Minus
Am I
6
clear?
answer.
Minus 1. So with me, you also try to do in your reference book, children.
Ma'am, answer is minus 6.
Yes. So 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 4 into minus 1 whole square is minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 4 is minus 4 plus 3. Minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9. Minus 9 plus 3 is
9
minus
plus 3.
6. Minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6. Integers.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Next, third question. In the first main, third question, we need to apply x value 2 in the given polynomial. Same polynomial,
Minus 3
values
answer.
they gave different. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I got third one answer 6, ma'am.
Ma'am, third one answer minus
Third one,
3, ma'am.
yes, minus 3. See, Ajay, x value they gave 2. 5 2s are 10. Then here x square. X square means 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16. Then plus 3.
Okay.
10 minus 16 is minus.
13 minus 16, ma'am.
Oh yeah, 10 plus 3, 13 minus 16 is minus 3.
Yes,
Or you
ma'am.
can take 10 minus 16 minus 6. Minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. Anyone have doubt in the first main?
No, ma'am.
Next. Second question. Find P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2 for each of the following polynomial. Means in the place, whatever the polynomial they have given here, we need to apply 0, 1 and 2. Am I clear the question?
Ma'am, I didn't.
Any doubt in the question, children?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
At the first
First
we have
one,
to put
we need to
0.
apply 0. Second, we need to apply 1. Third, we need to apply 2. Am I clear? Same thing like a first main. Here they gave x value. X, 3 question they gave. But here, values are same. 0, 1, 2. Here, variables they gave different for each and every question. That's why they didn't mention here. First question y they gave. Second question t they gave. Third question x they gave. Fourth question x they gave. Am I clear here? For all the question, I need to apply 0, 1 and 2. Am I
Yes,
clear,
ma'am.
children? So we'll go for the
Yes,
first question. First polynomial is P of y. Here only the variable y they have used. That's why here we are writing P of y. Here second question, variable t they have used. Here we are writing P of t. Third and fourth question, variable x they have used. Here we are written P of x. Am I clear? So first question, y square minus y plus 1. For this polynomial, we need to take
1 answer.
0, 1 and 2. First
0 minus 0 plus 1.
0, y square, 0 square is 0, 0 and only 1 will remain. P of 0 is 1. Any doubt?
No,
No, ma'am.
Second question, same polynomial, I'll apply 1. 1 square is 1 minus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Only 1 will remain. Am I clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll apply the value 2. 2 square is 4. I'll just write here. 2 square is 4 minus 2 plus 1 is equals to 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 plus 1, 3.
3,
Any
ma'am.
doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt in this one?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Your first question. Any doubt in second main first question?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Shall we move on to the next one? Children, this
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
question I'm asking to all the students. All the students here. 51 participants are there. So except me, 50. So I'm asking the doubts to all the 50 students. In that, if anyone get any doubt in any place, please you can ask in the class. Am I clear, children? Only few children are answering. I want all of them to answer, all of them to ask doubt if you have. Okay. Let's go
Okay,
to
ma'am.
second question. Second question, the variable they've taken t. So P of t is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. So here, second question I'll just apply. 0, 1 and 2 for the polynomial. So 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. So what will what will get? 0 into anything is 0. Answer we are getting only 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No,
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
Second one. I just apply 1 in the given polynomial 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. So here 2 I am writing as it is. T value 1 plus 2 into 1 square is 2 minus 1 cube is 1 only. Am I clear, children? So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 1, 4.
4.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
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 Shall we move on to the next one? P of 2.
Yes, ma'am.
In the given equation, apply 2. 2 plus t value 2 plus 2 into 2 square. Here I'll show 2 plus 2 plus 2 square is 4. Here 2 into 4. Am I clear, children? Here 2 square is 4. 2 into 4 minus 2 cube. 2 cube is 3 times you multiply. 2 into 2 into 2. 8. That is equals to, here 2 plus 2, 4. 2 4s are 8 plus 8. You just cancel 8 plus 8 and minus 8. Answer is 4. Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Shall we move on to the third sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Third sum is P of x is equal to x cube. What is 0 cube? 0 into 0 into 0, 0. What is 1 cube? 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. What is 2 cube? 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. That's all your third sum. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Move on to the fourth one here. Fourth question is P of x is equal to x minus 1, x plus 1. Okay. Here in the place of x, I'll put 0. Here in the place of x, I'll put 0. Minus 1, 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 0 plus 1 is plus 1. Minus 1 here is into. There's no sign in between x minus 1, x plus 1. It's a multiplication of binomial. Am I clear? So minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Let's
shouldn't
come to
we
second
use
one.
a square minus b square formula?
That also you can take. Same answer you'll get.
Yes, ma'am.
See, a square minus b square. 0 square is 0. Minus 1 square is minus 1 only. That way also you can try. Okay? Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Next,
ma'am.
P of x 1 I'll take. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 2. 0 into anything is 0, right?
Yes, ma'am.
0 into 2 is 0. Next, come to 2. So 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 3 is a 3. So any doubt in the second main, children?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt in the second main?
No, ma'am.
Easy, no, children, when you are writing in the classwork, so please try to do by your own. Don't copy the answer from the answers with the notes which I am sending through WhatsApp. Just try to do by your own so that I will become perfect with the concept. Am I clear?
ಯಾರ್ದು ನಂಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ
Here, mute your devices, children. Next, come to the third question. Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. Here they gave x value. Here we need to find out whether minus 1 by 3, what x value they gave, is a zero of this particular. So what is the third main meaning is, once you apply the value, check whether we are getting the polynomial 0 or not. Am I clear? When they give x value, apply this in the place of variable, check whether you are getting 0 or not. If you are getting 0, say this is the 0 of the polynomial. If you are not getting 0, say it is not the 0 of the polynomial. Shall we check the answer? First question. Here there are 8 questions are there. P of x is equal to 3x plus 1. Here the first question they gave x value minus 1 by 3. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, x value they gave minus 1 by 3. I'll just apply the value in the place of x. So let x is equals to minus 1 by 3. So we just apply the p of x minus 1 by 3 is equals to, in the place of x I'm applying minus 1 by 3. Here 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So once if I apply minus 1 by 3, I'm getting p of x is 0. When we get p of x is 0, then I can say minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of polynomial 3x plus 1. Any doubt, children?
Ma'am, I did not understand, ma'am.
Here nothing. The question you just observe. We have to verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. Here they gave the polynomial 3x plus 1 and x value. Am I clear, Rachana? Here we gave x value. You need to apply this x value in the polynomial. If you are getting 0, this x value what they given, it is a 0 of the polynomial 3x plus 1. If you are not getting 0, it is not a 0 of the polynomial. That is the meaning. Am I clear, Rachana?
Yes, ma'am.
So just see first one. So just now I discussed what is a 0 of 3x plus 1? Minus 1 by 3.
Minus
Obviously,
1.
if I apply minus 1 by 3 in the equation, I have to get 0.
Sum in the examples.
Yes. Example, 2x plus 1 I have taken. Here, in the question, they give 3x plus 1. That's the difference. Am I clear?
Oh, okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Understood. Thank you,
We'll see
ma'am.
second question. Second question is 5x minus 5. So I'll apply x value in the particular place of x. So what I'll get, 5 and 5 get cancelled. 4 minus pi I got. I did not get value 0. If I'm getting other than 0, so it is not a 0 of polynomial. I hope now it's clear to everyone. If you are getting after applying x value 0, it is a polynomial. Otherwise, it is not a 0 of the polynomial. Am I clear, children? Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Let's see third question. Third question, they gave polynomial x square minus 1 and they ask us to apply x value 1. So if I apply 1, 1 square is 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So do you think x is 1 is 0 of the polynomial?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Therefore,
ma'am.
1 is a 0 of p of x. Also, see here, x is equals to minus 1. If you take x value 1 also, here they gave two questions. The third main, x value they ask us to apply two questions, 1 and minus 1. Am I clear, children? So for 1 also we are getting 0 and for minus 1 also we are getting 0. So 1 and minus 1 both are zeros of x square minus 1. Any doubt, children? Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
Next, go to the fourth question. So here p of x is equals to x plus 1 into x minus 2. They gave x value minus 1. So x value, if I apply minus 1, here you see minus 1 plus 1, 0. Minus 1, minus 2. 0 and anything is 0. So minus 1 is 0 of the polynomial x plus 1, x minus 2. Same thing like a previous question. Fourth question, they gave two values. Minus 1 and 2. For minus 1, we got to know it is 0 of the polynomial because we got p of x 0. Let us check for x is equals to 2. If I apply 2 in the given polynomial, 2 plus 1, 3 and 2 minus 2, 0. 3 into 0 is 0. So we got to know that both minus 1 and 2 are the 0 of the polynomial x plus 1 and x minus 2. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Shall we move on to the next one?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here they're asking, fifth question, polynomial is x square. They're asking us to apply 0. James, mute your device. What is the answer for this one, James? If x is equal to 0, 0 square is 0.
Only, ma'am.
So 0 is the
Answer.
0 of the polynomial x square. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in this sum?
No, ma'am.
Next, we'll go for sixth one. We have p of x is equals to lx plus m. So they gave x value minus m by l. Apply minus m by l in the place of x. When I apply in the place of x, l and l will get cancelled. Minus m plus m is 0. Am I clear, children?
Equal to
Therefore,
0, ma'am.
minus m by l is the 0 of the polynomial. Next question they gave minus 1 by root 3. So here polynomial they gave 3x square minus 1. Observe carefully here. So x square minus 1 by root 3 whole square. So when I do the whole square, minus 1 whole square become
1 by 3 answer. Oh, it's 1 by 3.
yes. 1 by 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 1 minus 1, 0. Therefore, minus 1 by root 3 is a 0 of the polynomial 3x square minus 1. Any doubt here? Here x square is there. We do the whole squaring. Minus 1 whole square is 1. Root 3 whole square is 3. Am I clear, children?
Yes,
Am I clear how we got 3 here?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 1 whole square is 1. Root 3 whole square is 3. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 1 minus 1, 0. Next, go for the next. In the same question, they gave one more. 2 by root 3 whole square. So that is, so here 3 into 2 root 3 1 is 3.
ma'am.
So answer we did not get here 0. So 2 by root 3 is not a 0 of polynomial 3x square minus 1. If we are not getting 0, it is not a 0 of the polynomial. If we are getting 0, it is a 0 of the polynomial. Am I clear? So 8th question already I have discussed in the example. 2x plus 1. They gave x is equals to 1 by 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled. 1 plus 1, 2. So since remainder p of x is not 0, so 1 by 2 is not a 0 of the polynomial. If it is minus 1 by 2, if x value is minus 1 by 2, what is the answer?
Ma'am, answer is 0, ma'am. 0.
0, ma'am.
Yes. If x value is minus 1 by 2, we used to get 0. P of x is 0. So minus 1 by 2, children.
Yes, ma'am.
So any doubt in today's class?
No, ma'am.
So
No,
when
ma'am.
you are writing the classwork, please try to do by your own. So fourth main, same type of question. Exercise 2.2 fourth main. Just to find a 0 of the polynomial. Just like in example I explained, children. Just now I asked orally. What is a 0 of 5y minus 8?
8 by 5.
That's all you need to do in fourth main. That's it. P of x, you make it 0. Find x value. Am I clear, children?
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
find
Okay,
the
ma'am.
0 of the polynomial. Example I have done in the beginning. Example I just showed here. Same is exercise for last main.